Hello dear students. Today we will be discussing about the development of writing in Mesopotamia. Spoken sounds which convey certain meanings comprise a language. While writing we represent the spoken sound in terms of visible signs. Writing began when society needed to keep records of transactions. The first Mesopotamian tablets were written around 3200 BCE. These contained picture like signs and numbers. A tablet was made of clay. A scribe could wet clay and pat it into a size which could be comfortably held in one hand. The sharp end of a reed was used as a writing tool. Wedge shaped, which is known as cuneiform, signs were pressed on the smooth surface of the tablet while the tablet was still moist. After that, the tablet was dried in the sun. Hundreds of tablets were recovered from the Mesopotamian sites. Writing was used not only for keeping records but also for making dictionaries, giving legal validity to land transfers, narrating the deeds of kings, and announcing the changes in the customary laws of the land. What was the system of writing? The sound represented by a cuneiform sign was not a single consonant or a vowel, but syllables. So, a Mesopotamian scribe had to learn hundreds of sounds. Ancient Mesopotamians invented writing around the 4th millennium BCE. This was made possible perhaps as a result of numerous factors, like a change in the environment that allowed people to settle, then the creation of cities which brought about more complex societies, and the economic need to keep track and records of the exchange of goods. But the ancient Mesopotamians did not create writing out of nowhere. People kept records before the invention of writing. Some would place stick into the ground to count things like the number of sheep someone owned. Others would rely on clay tokens or small clay marbles for bookkeeping. Over time, in order to keep more specific track of things, markings developed on those tokens as the variety of goods increased. Then people began keeping track of things on clay tablets. The earliest writing system evolved independently and at roughly the same time in Egypt and Mesopotamia. But current scholarship suggests that Mesopotamians' writing appeared first. That writing system, invented by the Sumerians, emerged in Mesopotamia around 3500 BCE. At first, this writing was representational. A bull might be represented by a picture of a bull, and a pictograph of barley signified the word barley. Though writing began as pictures, this system was inconvenient for conveying anything other than simple nouns, and it became increasingly abstract as it evolved in encompass more abstract concepts, eventually taking form in the world's earliest writing, cuneiform. An increasingly complex civilization encouraged the development of an increasingly sophisticated form of writing. Cuneiform came to function both phonetically and semantically, rather than only representing objects directly as a picture.